Hello everyone. Want to promote ClickBank products using Google Ads and to actually make sales. So in this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. So Google Ads is one of the best paid traffic sources. You can target people already searching for what you offer based on keywords, location, age, and more. And just go ahead to ads.google.com, click start now, use a Gmail to set up, sign up, and enter basic information. After that, you need to choose your ad campaign's goal. So choose sales as your goal as because you want to make sales, obviously. Or you can select search if you want to have people search for your product and land to your store. And this is perfect for affiliate offers. Then choose clicks as your bidding focus and then set your daily budget. I'd recommend you set a budget of $10 initially or $15 per day. Then you need to choose your audience. And this is very important. You'll know your niche better, so make sure you choose the correct audience that are likely to search for your product. And you should also like create ads in a group. So if you have multiple products in the same category that you want to promote, then having them in separate ad group will likely be very effective. Also, since Google now understands your topic better, so there's no need to add exact match keywords. You can just put in some relevant keywords and Google will use their AI to reach the right audience. Finally, when everything is done, make sure to have the URL here, write some catchy headlines and descriptions, and then set your spending budget so that the budget doesn't cross your maximum allowed budget. Then finally review the ad and launch the campaign. And that is how you run ads basically. So there's a lot more to it. I've just covered it briefly to show you what the processes are. So Google Ads is a huge niche, is a huge topic. So it takes a quite a while to actually master it, Google Ads. And if you want to any help launching your product or I mean any help related to Google Ads like tracking, optimizing your ads, then I would suggest you reach out to ecommerce.com and contact us on the from this website. Just click here and we'll schedule a free consultation for your Google Ads. Or you can find us on Fiverr. Just search for ecom dreams on Fiverr and reach out to us, and we also offer our services there.